In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set notification schedule. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by alerts or distracted during focus time, setting a notification schedule in Basecamp can make a huge difference. It lets you control when Basecamp can reach you, so you get important updates during your work hours and peace and quiet when you're off the clock. Let's walk through it together in a simple, clear way. Start by opening Basecamp and heading to the top right corner of the screen. Click your avatar. This might be your profile picture or your initials depending on how your account is set up. That opens a small menu with options related to your personal settings. From that menu, choose Notifications. This is the central place where you manage how and when Basecamp sends you alerts. Think of it as your control panel for keeping your day organized and interruption-free. Next, click Notification Schedule. This section is dedicated to timing, when Basecamp is allowed to notify you and when it should hold off. You'll typically see options that relate to days of the week and specific time windows. The times you're seeing are based on your account's time zone, so keep that in mind if you work with teams across different regions or if you travel often. Now it's time to choose the times and days you want to receive alerts. Set your work hours for the days you're available. Many people pick standard business hours on weekdays and leave weekends off, but choose what fits your routine. If the interface lets you drag sliders or enter start and end times, use whichever method feels easiest. Consider blocking out focused stretches when you prefer fewer interruptions, and make sure the schedule reflects when you actually check Basecamp. The goal is to capture your real working patterns, not just the ideal ones. Once you're happy with your selections, save changes. This is important. Saving locks in your schedule so Basecamp applies it right away. If you navigate away without saving, your settings won't take effect. After saving, your notifications will follow the windows you set. Messages that arrive outside those times won't ping you immediately. They'll wait until your next available window. That way you can concentrate when you need to and catch up confidently when you're back. If your routine shifts, maybe you start earlier or you switch days, come back to the same place and adjust your schedule to match. And that's it. By setting a clear notification schedule, you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed, protect your focus, and create healthy boundaries around your time.